getting thou nails done today. So I'm headed out. Ronnie just got home. He's gonna take over with Cayden. My nails are ready to pop off. It's disgusting. Ugh, I can't stand it when it gets to this point. I've just been waiting for us to get paid, you know, and sometimes it takes forever. I got paid off of YouTube, and I got paid from the photography thing I did the other day with the Valentine's banquet. So I was able to scrounge enough to go get my nails done. Today has been a very bad news day. There's been a lot of things happening considering people we know. Sorry it's so shaky. I hope it's not causing a lot of that sound effect, that clicking sound effect, which is annoying when I'm editing. That is so annoying. I'm going to try to speak quick. But yeah, today has been kind of a bad news day. I had a nightmare last night. Somebody we know just not good news. And then I feel like I need a Snapchat right now.
Like, today was like a bad news day. What the even heck is going on? Sometimes you just need a break. It's so annoying. Ugh. I'm so over it. You had no idea. No idea. Ugh.
It's snowing! It's snowing, minions! Look, can you see the snow? It's snowing! Look at that beautiful snow.
It is snowing, isn't it?
Yeah.
Well, Daddy's going to take this apart and see what's wrong with it, because it's obviously it's snowing with a little bit of whatever that precipitation. So I'm going to take that off. Take this out. Now look at, I don't know if you can see all that black, but that's what happened. So I'm going to find out why that happened. Look at all that black there, look. Yeah, that's crazy. So I think it's the wick. I hope it's the wick. I gotta pull here. Oh, keep it on this.
Man, look at that. I don't think I've ever seen the inside of a heater.
Okay.
I wonder what's wrong with it.
I think it's this wick. So, a buddy of mine who has one told me to try this.
Alright, focus.
So, let me try to dry burn it again.
Man, I don't know how the snow is gonna react with the heater.
So this happened while I was in the nail salon. It normally doesn't snow down this far down, but it's melting, so yay. It won't be too hard to drive home. But I got chrome for my nails, guys. Chrome in pink. What do you guys think? I've never had chrome before. It was an interesting process because she had to paint my nails black first, let them dry for like 20% dry, then add the glitter. I don't know if this is like plastic, or I asked her what material. She goes, I don't know, plastic? So I don't know what do you guys know what material the chrome is? It looked exactly like glitter, but it wasn't glitter. it's very, very fine, and it kind of floats in your air, and I'm like, don't breathe it in, don't breathe it in, I don't know what's in this stuff. So anyway, that's what it looks like. Cool, huh? I like it. Pretty festive. Whoa! What the heck? Somebody loves the snow. She is having so much fun in the snow. She loves it. Prancing around. Look at you! Do you like the snow? Ever since she was a puppy. We went up to Elijah's gravesite to bury him. And she was a puppy, and we brought her, and there was snow up there to visit. And she loved it ever since she was a puppy. But you guys, look at, this has got to be a couple inches. Right here. Look at that, you guys. It's a lot of snow. Who says it doesn't snow in California? Look at her. Somebody loves it. Aw, they're being so cute. Ronnie got the heater working, that kerosene heater working so far.
For now.
It's warming up the house, but I'm still wearing my jacket. I'm still cold.
Definitely going to take it out and then only have it at least until I get a new wick.
Okay, so I said that I was going to shout my Instagram family out. If you're following me on Instagram.
You are shouted out.
This picture right here, I'll probably put it up, but if you guys can see it, this picture right here, okay? I'll post it as I shout people out. But it says, how well do you know me? The options are tea or coffee. Said coffee, you are correct. Options are cats or dogs. A lot of you said both, but I lean more towards dogs. If you said dogs, you are correct. I love my kitties though. I love my kitties. Am I boring you?
Oh, I'm tired.
Sports or music. Now this one was confusing for a lot of people because WWE, softball, I like football. People thought I was doing sports. But actually, I'm more of a musical person than
what is her name?
Who?
That person I'm married to.
I am a musical person. I've always been a musical person. So if you chose music, you are correct. Next is books or movies. I hate reading. Ugh.
I know that for sure.
Yeah. So we do movies. Now this one confused everybody. Why? Because I do eat some chocolate, but when it comes to chocolate ice cream, no.
We just said that recently.
We just stated that on YouTube. A lot of people said chocolate ice cream. No, I hate chocolate ice cream. If you chose vanilla, you are correct. So on this picture, the whole right side is me. Coffee, dogs, music, movies, and vanilla. Those that got it right, I will give you a shout out. That would be Sheena4613. Oh, and extra points to every single person that said mushrooms, even though that wasn't on the list, but extra points. Okay, the next one is Carolyn Gillis. Shout out to Carolyn Gillis. CBest44. Kelsey2357.
They know you better than I do.
No, you would have probably gotten it all.
Oh, I know I would have.
Yeah. No, you didn't get it all at the marriage game.
I wasn't.
Yeah, okay, don't talk. Meta Chandani. Is that how you say your last name? Chandani? Debra Mcleod said pretty much the whole right side of that list, yes. Orly C. On Instagram, she is Orly Love Gemma. And extra points for Charlene Uyehara, a patron of ours. Coffee, dogs, music, movies, vanilla, and mushrooms. Although that was not an option. You guys are funny. But I did like the fact that MGM874 that said that she felt kind of like a stalker. That's pretty funny. Bluey Mac81 says coffee. I love SC2003. Dayo, although it's more music and not WWE, guys. Shout out
I will turn her around.
No, it'll always be music. Music is my first love. Shout out to all those on Instagram that chose the right choices. Thank you for paying attention to who I am and what I love. That makes me feel like it's worth it all to be here with you. Oh, you guys like my nails? Did I show it to you? I think I did. But it's shinier here. Shiny.
I don't care for them.
He doesn't like them. I don't care. They're my nails, and I can put whatever I want on them. So we're gonna close out for tonight. I have to get up super early. I'm scared to drive.
You do not have to get up early. I have to get up early.
Please be safe in that ice. It's gonna be so icy on the roads tomorrow.
Well,
There's like 3 inches right now on the ground.
If my truck starts, I have a 4-wheel drive.
I don't have a 4-wheel drive. So I am nervous driving early in the morning tomorrow morning. We'll see what happens. I'm hoping the roads will clear up at least by 8 o'clock. I will push out my time and go back. I was going to leave about 7 a.m., but I'm probably going to push back and go about 8 a.m. depending on the roads. I have to go drop Cayden off at Grandma's house, and then I'm headed out of town.
Which is probably got a foot of snow.
Yeah, Grandma's way further up the hill, so she's probably got so much more snow. Thumbs up for the heater working, and hello to all the new subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing. You are now part of the Mainville Minion family here on YouTube. Here,
Hello. To all our new family members, hey, don't be scared. Leave it in the comments below. We'd love to say hi. Oh, wait. You know what that's from? Do you know what that's from? Huh? Do you know what that's from?
Dusty roads. Of course I do.
Well, I was trying to ask them.
Oh, sorry.
You just blew it.
Well, okay, sorry.
I want to know how many of them knew that. Oh, yeah.
Cayden! Don't forget to favorite and share. Love you guys so much. See you tomorrow or another day. I don't know if there's going to be one tomorrow. We'll see. Love you. Ciao. Meow.
Believe in what makes you strong. Mirrors are lying and pictures can be fake. I know you better than